小朋友，上课喽！
I am a foreign English teacher here at文光 English Village, and my name is Teacher Stu. Today we are going to look at the seasons. First, we need to look at the vocabulary, or the words we are going to use in today's English lesson. Okay, let's get started. Our first word is spring.
Spring.
And in spring we have the flowers that look a little bitty. Yeah, buddy. Next, today we have the word summer.
Summer.
And in summer we can go to the beach and, oh, my beach ball. Our next word today is fall.
Fall.
And in fall, we can see the leaves falling down. Our next word for the day is winter.
Winter.
And in winter, it's very, very cold. Oh, we can see the snow and my little friend. Whee! Oh no! Are you okay?
Next, we are going to look at the weather. Hot.
Hot.
In summer, it is usually hot. Warm.
Warm.
In spring, it is usually warm. Cool.
Cool.
In fall, it is usually cool. Cold.
Cold.
In winter, it is usually cold.
Next, we are going to see what you can do in the different seasons. We have go to see the cherry blossom.
Go to see the cherry blossom.
Go swimming.
Go swimming.
Eat hot pot.
Eat hot pot.
Go to the hot springs.
Go to the hot springs.
And now we will practice some conversations that you can have about the seasons. What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
How's the weather in spring?
It's warm in spring.
What can we do in spring?
In spring, we can go to see the cherry blossom.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
How's the weather in summer?
It's hot in summer.
What can we do in summer?
In summer, we can go swimming.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is fall.
How's the weather in fall?
It's cool in fall.
What can we do in fall?
In fall, we can eat hot pot.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
How's the weather in winter?
It's cold in winter.
What can we do in winter?
In winter, we can go to the hot springs.
Now it's time to practice our sentences. This gives you at home a chance to practice your English with us here at English Village. But first, we need to talk about today's game. I have in my pocket 2 balls. Now, this ball is the one you want. It's very good. But this ball is no good. So, I'm going to put the balls in my hands. We have the question, what hand do you want? Answer, I want number 1. Or, I want number 2. Michelle, what hand do you want?
I want number 1.
Okay, let's see, and number 1 is... She got it! Yay! So, let's get started practicing our sentences. So, our first sentence, well, for Jane. Jane, what's your favourite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Okay, so now's your chance to play along at home. Jane, what hand do you want?
I want number 2.
Okay. At home, what hand do you want? Let's see. So for us here, oh, no. So if you chose number 1, you get 1 point. We. Okay, our next question. Michelle, how is the weather in winter?
It's cold in winter.
So remember, at home, you can read along with us. All right, here are the balls. And Michelle, what hand do you want?
I want number 2.
Okay, so at home, what hand do you want? Let's see. If you chose number 2, you would be no good. So we still have 0 points here. How many points do you have? All right, let's look at our next sentence. So, Pin Pin, what can we do in fall?
In fall, we can eat hot pot.
And that looks really good. All right, here are the balls. Get ready at home. Pin Pin, what hand do you want?
I want number 2.
Okay. At home, what hand do you want? Let's see. And no! We here still have 0 points. You must be doing better than us. All right, let's look at question number 4. There we go. So, Mina, what's your favourite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Okay, let's see how we go this time. Mina, what hand do you want?
I want number 1.
Okay, so at home, what hand do you want? Let's see. Oh my goodness. goodness. That's so our score here is a big 0. All right, let's look at the next question. So Jane, how's the weather in summer?
It's hot in summer.
Very cool. Okay, come on, Jane. We've got to get that point. Here are the balls. And get ready there at home. So, Jane, what hand do you want?
I want number 1.
Number 1. Okay, here we go. I want a point for us. And, finally. So if you chose number 1, you get 1 point as well. So how many points do you have? I know that here we have just 1. All right, let's look at the next question. So this will be our last one. So, Michelle, what can we do in winter?
In winter, we can go to the hot springs.
We can, and they're very good. All right, let's see how we go. One last time. Michelle, what hand do you want?
I want number 2.
Okay, so at home, what hand do you want? Number 2 for us here, and we again, no good. So, how did you go at home? We have a big score with us of just 1 point. So I've got a feeling that you are the winner today. Cool. So now it's time for us to read a story. All right, and now it is story time. And our story today is called All About Weather. So, the sun is out, it looks like, oh no! Whoa! I need an umbrella. Anyway, let's get to our, let's start our story. So, what is weather? Step outside. What does the sky look like? What does the air feel like? That is the weather. Oh, and we can see a bird in the sky. So the sky is blue and the air feels warm. Weather changes all the time. Weather also changes throughout the year. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Spring weather is warm and rainy. It's when flowers start to bloom. Summer weather is hot and sunny. In fall, the air becomes cooler and leaves change color. Winter brings us cold weather. When it's hot here, summer. It's cold here, winter. When it's hot here, summer. It's cold here, or winter. Is the sun shining today? Yes, it is. Time to put on some sunglasses. Very cool. The sun can make the air feel hot. you can go for a ride on your bike. Hey, bye-bye. You can go for a swim in the ocean. Hey, whee! It looks windy today. Don't lose your hat.
Oh no!
On a windy day, clouds move across the sky. So, Jane, what does this cloud look like?
This cloud looks like a star.
Oh. Michelle, what does this cloud look like?
This cloud looks like a dog.
Ping, what does this cloud look like?
This cloud looks like a heart.
Mina, what does this cloud look like?
This cloud looks like a tree.
And Jane, what does this cloud look like?
This cloud looks like a fish.
Oh no, it looks like it's about to rain. The rain has started. You'll get wet. That's an umbrella. Oh no, it is now a thunderstorm. Quick, go inside. Go. They're going to get wet. The rain has stopped. And now we can see a rainbow. Well, that is all the time we have today. So from everybody here at文光English Village, we really hope you had a little bit of fun. And from myself, Teacher Stu, it's going to be goodbye for now. Bye-bye.
Today we looked at the 4 seasons. We looked at the weather in the seasons, and we looked at what you can do in the 4 seasons that we have in a year. If you go to our website, there are some questions that you can answer at home. If you answer the 5 questions, you can enter our competition. Now, what can you win if you enter our competition?
It's a surprise!